Sometimes in life, we encounter things that give us a positive feeling, but we hesitate to pursue them because of the fear of failure. Eventually, we realize that as we age, we no longer have the energy to chase those dreams.
Hello everyone! Hello sa mga 22 subscribers ko! Alam nyo ba, napakasaya ko kasi nakuha ko yung 22 subscribers without telling everyone to or anyone to subscribe to my channel nor sub to sub. Kaya grabe ang saya ko. Nakuha ko sila through my video content, so it means those are organic. Grabe. Oh my gulay. That was intense. Nahulog yung phone ko. Okay, go back to our topic. Yeah, ang saya-saya ko. It means those 22 subscribers are organic. It means they're solid. Nanood sila ng videos ko. Iba kasi yung kahit may 5,000 subscribers ka pero galing sa mga sub to sub, wala pa rin. Parang wala ka pa rin subscribers na ganyan. Kaya yeah, I'm so happy. Alam nyo ba, 9 years ago I started my YouTube vlogging and I was inspired by Mr. Beast. Grabe yung impact ni Mr. Beast sa vlogging industry. So ayun, pinangalanan ko siya ng Mr. Beast Inspired, yung first channel ko. Since napakahirap i-duplicate or gumawa ng the same content with Mr. Beast, so ang ginawa ko na lang, more on reporting na lang ako, international reporting. Ayun, yung mga pangyayari. Umabot naman ako ng 700 plus subscribers until one day I stopped. Kasi na-realize ko na ang awkward ko pala magsalita, tapos mali-mali yung mga words. Kasi yung first channel ko, more on voice over siya. Kaya kasi reporting, di ba, ganun man talaga. Ang awkward ko magsalita. Kaya yun, stop and decided to make a new channel. But this time, another content. More on music. Kinukuha ko yung audio, tapos nag-gather ako ng iba't ibang video, ginagawa kong parang music video siya. You know what? Grabe yung success ng channel na yon. Blue Water, Are You For Real, White Sand, In the Middle of a City, No Way. Paano kayo makakapasok dito, no? Anyway, go on sa topic natin. Tapos nilalagyan ko ng lyrics. Matagal siya gawin. I remember one video, umabot siya ng 300,000 views in kuan lang siya, in a matter of week. Can you imagine? Ganda talaga. Okay talaga yun. Like, ang dali kong nakuha yung required for monetization, at dito lang nagka-problema. Nung pag-apply ko na ng monetization, nako, I was denied for the first time dahil yung reason is reused content. The next apply ko after a month, the same reason, reused content. Third time, the same reason, reused content. Napapagod na din ako. Like, grabe yung effort ko gumawa ng video, tapos palagi na lang na nadi-denied yung monetization ko. I kept doing it until umabot siya ng pang-5 beses ko na ata nag-apply. Pero sad to say, ganun pa rin, reuse content. Ang ginawa ko, dinelete ko lahat ng videos, tapos iniba ko yung content ko, thinking na okay pa rin yung monetization niya kung baka upload lang ako ng videos tapos apply ulit. Ang nangyari, nawala din yung mga required hours and views. bumalik siya sa zero. Wala nang nanonood sa mga videos ko. So I decided to stop it and then made my third channel. Sa third channel naman, kasi I noticed that time, grabe yung mga local to international reactors, napaka-successful nila. Like, every time mag-upload sila, daming views. So I decided now, why not doing it also? Ayun, gumawa ako ng reaction video. Ang pangalan ng channel ko is React Channel. At you know what? 1 month pa lang, nakuha ko na agad yung requirements ko for monetization. Ang pag-apply ko, 3 days na monetize agad yung channel ko. Grabe ang saya ko, like walang katumbas. And I told myself, I finally living my dream, di ba? Ayun, it kept going. I uploaded videos until such time na kine-claim na yung mga videos ko, nakaka-copyright na. Ganda dito. Okay, so ayun, kina-copyright na yung videos ko at hindi ko nga na-withdraw yung first sahod ko kasi nga hindi nakakaabot sa threshold na $100 kasi kukunti lang talagang pumapasok sa account ko dahil nga kina-copyright. And I became so tired kasi sila lang yung nagbe-benefit sa videos ko. Ayun, I stopped. Again, I stopped. And then I made another channel and channels. Siguro nasa 8 channels na lahat. Until one day I decided to make my one last shot. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, it's now or never. Kung di ko gagawin to, baka pagsisihan ko to for the rest of my life. And if this last channel na gagawin ko, which is ngayon na, ito na ngayon pinapanood nyo, pag hindi pa nagiging successful to, at least masasabi ko sa sarili ko na Lord, I have tried my best, fought a good fight. Kung tatanda man ako, I can say that there's no regret because I have tried my best. I watched a video where this young man interviewing an aged person, like yung mga retirees na. May isang tanong lang yung vlogger na to. Sabi niya, what is your regret? You know what? To my surprise, I don't know if this is still a surprise. Sabi nila, most of the time, the regrets are the things they did not even try to do because of fear of failure. Sometimes in life, hindi natin ginagawa to even though we have a good feeling about it, pero we don't even try it. Kasi nga, fear of failure. And then, ma-realize na lang natin na tumanda na tayo and we don't have the energy to do it anymore. Kaya kung nanonood ka nito, if you are dreaming of something, please go get it. There may be obstacles along the way, but please keep going. Don't allow anyone to hinder your success or your dream. Work hard for it. And if somehow you fail, please keep trying. There's nothing good that comes out to a quitter. Kaya for this one last shot na channel ko, I can be successful or I die trying. Kung may manonood man ito, wala, it doesn't matter anymore as long as I'm still living my dream to be a vlogger, to be freed from, from stress. Kasi yung pagbablogger talaga is na-relieve talaga siya ng stress. Ganda talaga dito. Ganda ng tanawin, napaka-calm. Ganda pa ng hangin. Maganda yung simoy ng hangin. Sarap. White sand, clean water, walang basura. Manong nag-work. High-rise buildings. Wow. And yeah,
villas. Tapos, what else? May cottages pa. Pwede kang mag-sunbathing dito. Alam nyo ba magkano yung rooms dyan? Isang room, one bed. Nasa 8 to 9 million VND or 9 to 10 million VND. Nasa 20 or 18 to 20,000 pesos a month. At yung building doon, mas mahal yun. Ruby. Yung Mastery, Ruby yun doon. Yung villa na yan, mas mura. Kung ako yung papipiliin, between kung apartment na dyan at saka yung villa na lang ako, kasi yung villa is 4 million VND, 4 to 5 million VND. It's around 8 to 10,000 pesos, while here 18 to 20,000. Grabe yung difference, di ba? Sa unahan, no, may kon pa, skeletal ship. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching, and please, not subscribe yet. Bye bye. Grabe ang init ng panahon. Risukola muna tayo. Binigyan din natin si tatay ng pampalamig para, kasi grabe ang init.